Hi, I finally made it. My virtual machine. Okay, I just log in with my username and password, and I will be using some words, some commands. But first, I need to enable the keyboard. I don't know why. Yeah, it's asking me every time. I will use the PWD, and it tells me that I am in the home user and my user name. And I will be type exit and did it again. I have to integrate the keyboard. Okay, I will use the exit command and it will take me out. So I have to use my something password. And I am back. And now I will be using touch my slash file. And I will check the files. My file, it says that my file is there. So I will use ls space slash l. And it's telling me that this is a user. Under the user, box user, I have my file. The file will call my file. So I will create a folder using mkdir, call it my slash dir. I will type ls, and it told me that that file is there. And I will check for the content, and it's telling me that it's there. The content is there. I will use the alias command. I will show me all the aliases that I can use. The grep, Colorado, all that, alf, how I can use it. Okay. How I can use the grep. Mm, I will remove my file and my dir file using the rm command, my slash file, enter, and it will remove it. And I will use the same command to remove my slash dir. If I check, I will not have it. It's total zero now because I was using it. I will create. I will use the cd slash that command, and it will be taking me to a different file. Now I will be using this command to create mkdir on here in this area. Is space slash data one. And it says that I cannot create that directory. because I have a permission, deny permission. Create that man sort of, and it's gonna explain me why. I will use a Q to quit the menu. And now I will use a sudo command to upgrade the directory. Let's see, and it's gonna let me use it. I will use it let me use it because, oh, I need the password. Okay, cannot create directory, file exists. Okay. The file exists because I already did it. It was the second time I get into this program. Okay. Okay. Who am I? And it give me the name of the user. Mhm. I will just sudo show and my username, which is bbox user that I want. Okay. Okay, let's check the ls slash no score l. And it's telling me that I have data one in the fifth row. Mhm. Now I'll redirect the pipes and grep. I will use the FDF. Let me put clear. Oh, clear my screen. The F score H. And it give me the, but this is not the command that I wanted to. I'm gonna use this slash data one slash server one and click enter. DFH. Okay. I will share with cat slash data one slash server one, and it showed me the availability of the size and TMPFS, the file system. Um, I'm gonna use this command. The using command underscore A slash data one slash server one. Um, in the generic. Oh, it gave me something else. Something different than the first time because I use that command. I will type IP A one slash server one. I see. Server one. Oh, it give me something different. Something about only the ID, slope back or up is sorry. And it gave me the history of the command that I use. And I will shut down, use the command shut down. I want to use the command shut down, but it's not letting me use the keyboard. I have to do something with this, but for now, shut down. What should be out in a couple of minutes. That's it for this demonstration. Thank you.